folks. Welcome to another edition of America the Stupid. That's us kids, stupid Americans. And that's because schools are allowing President Obama's wife, Michelle Obama, to dictate to them the lunches that are given to our students. And the students are rejecting them. Let's look at one of the lunches. See? These are the combination of lunches offered to the students that are being rejected. But gee, that don't look so bad. Is that what you're going to say? To which you have to say, really? And as we say in Japan, Majikayo! Let's look at some of the food, school lunches in other countries and pay particular attention to the Italian school lunch. Gee, I think I'm a little partial there, kids. See, the other countries are eating good-looking, healthy food while our children are being served something which looks like waste products. That's because that's politically correct in America. We'll see you. God bless you. That's why the students here are learning. They're hungry after looking at that garbage that they have to eat. We'll see you. God bless you. God bless America. And God bless the nation you happen to be in. See ya.